We are on a roll because I found another no experience needed work from home job, and this one will start out at $28 per hour, going up to $31 per hour. So I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to jump right into this one because I'm sure it's going to go fast. So this job comes to us from the company Tinuiti, and I'm not sure I pronounced that right, but regardless, they're a performance-based marketing agency. And the job I'm sharing right now is for a media investment associate. This is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States, and this job was just posted a few days ago, so it is still open. The first thing I want to do is scroll down this job lead to see if they tell us how much they pay, and I saw it down here. They're going to pay between $60,000 and $65,000 per year. That comes to between $28.85 and $31.25 per hour. Plus, you might even get a performance bonus of up to 20% of your base salary. So that's at least $12,000 of free money, and they offer a pretty decent suite of benefits. As a media investment associate, you'll play a crucial role in ensuring the smooth operation of the media buying and account management processes. Your primary focus will be to assist the media buying and account management teams in implementing effective strategies across multiple client accounts. You'll ensure client campaigns are delivered efficiently, serve as a key liaison between the network partners, vendors, and internal teams, and support the account management team in maintaining excellent client communication. So you're going to be doing quite a bit of administrative work, some client support, even some billing reconciliation. You'll ensure the media buying and account management operations run smoothly and efficiently, supporting the implementation of strategies for multiple clients. You'll also monitor daily client performance and campaign delivery to ensure strategies are correctly implemented and objectives are met. You'll act as the main point of contact between network partners, vendors, and internal teams to facilitate seamless campaign execution, send and track network orders and asset traffic instructions, track, organize, and reconcile weekly television network logs to identify and resolve billing discrepancies, perform ad hoc research and analysis, participate in meetings with publishers to stay current on TV, OTT trends, and assist the account management team with client communication and the preparation of weekly reports and presentations. To qualify for this job, they tell us no prior specific experience is required, but it's a plus you have knowledge of the advertising or media industry, and that's just a plus. That's not even required. You need to be very organized with exceptional attention to detail and follow through. You're a self-starter with a strong desire to learn, ask questions, and work collaboratively. You're proficient in Microsoft Excel, basic formulas, filtering, and pivot tables, those sort of things. You also have strong business writing and presentation skills. You're familiar with PowerPoint, Keynote, Prezi, those sort of programs, and you have excellent time management skills, and you're able to juggle multiple tasks against tight deadlines. So remember, this job will pay $60,000 to $65,000 per year, plus the potential of a performance bonus up to 20% of your base salary. If you like this job, you can find the direct link in the description area below this video. So I have another job I want to give you. It's just like the one I just talked about, but it's more of a senior level. You're going to have a little bit more responsibility, but it will pay more. This is for a senior media investment associate. It's a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States, and they are going to pay anywhere from $65,000 to $70,000 per year, which comes to $31.25 to $34 per hour. And they also offer an incentive pay program comprising a monthly variable revenue payment opportunity and a discretionary annual performance bonus. So there again, you get some free money with this job. And they offer a pretty decent suite of benefits. So just like the last position, you'll play a pivotal role in owning the media buying and account management processes by ensuring clients' media campaigns operate smoothly and efficiently and are carried out with the best-in-class media acumen and strategic thinking. Your expertise will be essential to client performance across channels, primarily TV, audio, and display, serving as a key liaison in the media partners and agency client leads, and developing innovative strategies to meet the brand's diverse needs. So this role requires a strategic thinker with a foundational knowledge of strategic media buying, particularly in video and audio advertising. So what all that means is you'll research, vet, and execute media plans for multiple clients, ensuring that they run efficiently and accurately. You'll oversee daily campaign delivery across channels, ensuring strategies are appropriately implemented, errors are kept to a minimum, and goals are being achieved. You'll interface with network partners, vendors, and internal teams to ensure smooth campaign execution with a solution-oriented mindset and develop and implement project-based work tailored to the media investment team's needs. You'll send and track network orders and traffic instructions, ensuring accurate and timely delivery, and stay abreast of TV, audio, and display trends through educational meetings with publishers, as well as your own independent research. And last but not least, you evaluate and negotiate media plans in collaboration with senior team members, honing your ability to vet new offerings and assess the value of media opportunities for the clients you work on. So it sounds like a whole lot of responsibility, but they're really not asking for a whole lot of experience. They'd like you to have at least 2 years of experience in a media agency or a publisher environment with a focus on media buying in linear TV, OTT, digital audio, and or display advertising. It's a plus you have direct hands-on experience in industry platforms, DSPs, research tools, those sort of things. You're organized with exceptional attention to detail and follow-through. You're self-motivated. You have strategic marketing and communication skills, and you're proficient in Microsoft Excel, and you have strong business, writing, and presentation skills. And you also have excellent time management capabilities, managing multiple tasks against tight deadlines. So this one pays between $65,000 and $70,000 per year, plus a bonus. If you like this one, you can find a direct link in the description area below this video. So there you go. We just went over 2 pretty good high-paying remote jobs. The first one doesn't require any experience. The second one is more of a senior level position that pays a little bit more but requires a little bit more experience. Hopefully one of these works out for you, but if you're looking for something else, something that doesn't require any experience, maybe it's non-phone, check out this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.